Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an updated Google Pay app and the redeem code. First, open Google Pay and go straight to the redeem or add promo code screen. Type the code exactly as shown because even one wrong character prevents acceptance. Once done, Google Pay checks regional eligibility and any promo terms. That's why you must confirm the country setting and account email. If prompted, pick a default payment method for verification so the system can apply or hold funds correctly. Now focus on the middle steps. Choose where the redeemed value should go: app credit, promo balance, or linked card. You may need to verify immediately with an OTP or your Google password. This prevents fraud and ensures the correct account receives funds. Occasionally, a temporary small authorization appears on a linked card. It disappears after verification. Make sure to read the redemption terms shown on screen so you understand expiry, usage restrictions, and which merchants accept the credit. Complete the process by tapping Redeem or Confirm and wait for the success confirmation. Once it shows successful, go to your balance or transaction history to verify the funds or promo applied. That's how you know it worked. Save the confirmation screenshot or note the transaction ID and timestamp in case you need support. If something goes wrong, first check the code format, account region, and your internet connection. Then sign out and back in or retry after clearing the app cache before contacting help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.